A few years ago, if you wanted to buy a 3D printer, you probably had to order one online. Today, you can buy one while you're out shopping for groceries, hobby supplies, or even a new TV. I'm visiting 4 major retailers to see just how mainstream 3D printing has become. Now, about 9 months ago, I did a video similar to this about how Hobby Lobby is now carrying 3D printing supplies, and I'm happy to see that they are still offering a variety of different types of filaments. Their prices have increased in the last 9 months. The basic PLA option that you can find is no longer $12.99. The cheapest that I could find was the $14.99 versions of their basic PLAs. One thing that I do enjoy about their filaments that they offer is that it does come on a hard plastic spool, and the colors of filament are often pretty dang vibrant. I did also notice that outside of PLA, they are starting to carry TPU, but I have not seen PETG or ABS as an option yet inside the Hobby Lobby stores. They also are carrying now the silica for your drying, as well as bed mats on top of the spool holders, the deburring tools, and other accessories that you can find for your 3D printers. The one big downside with Hobby Lobby's filaments is that the pricing is just all over the place, and in some cases really does not make any sense to me whatsoever. Like some of these dual color filaments for $19.99, then there's a tricolor filament for $20.99, and then another dual color filament for $24.99. Again, I don't know why they're all over the place with some of their pricing, but it's definitely a good bit more expensive. And again, you're paying for that convenience factor of being able to find it here locally. The next store that's now carrying 3D printing products is Michaels. That's right, Michaels now has their own branded version of their filaments. Again, they're just basic colors of filaments that you can find currently, and I'm hoping that's gonna expand. But the big advantage that you're gonna be able to get from getting some of the filaments from Michaels over Hobby Lobby is Michaels is running some promotions where you can get 30% off the filament, which brings the pricing down even cheaper than what we're finding over at something like Hobby Lobby. And with some of those coupons that you can find, like this current one that's 30% off, you'll be able to grab the filament instead of at $14.99, you can grab that for $10.50, which is an awesome price point for some filament that you can pick up locally. Now, the Michaels filament all starts at $14.99 for their basic colors and then goes up in price from there, with their marble and silk PLAs coming in at $16.99 and then their glitter PLA being $17.99. But one thing that I actually like that they carry is a sampler pack that's gonna have some of these smaller spool sizes directly in them, but this is a 4-color sample here, which is gonna be great for anybody that just maybe bought their very first 3D printer and is looking to experiment with some different multicolor print options. And that's only $15.99. Their spools are also on these cardboard rolls, so just be aware of that. If you're gonna be printing with an AMS, you might have to print some of those hubcaps for these spools. And currently Michaels is only offering filament. There is no other 3D printing accessories that they offer currently, but I'm hoping that expands. You'll also be able to find this, at least in my store, was on the end cap of one of the craft aisles. Now, the next time that you're at Target, don't just beeline it to the toy section like I typically do. Make sure to stop by the electronics area where you can find some BambuLab products on sale directly inside the store. It looks like they're now carrying the BambuLab A1 Mini, as well as BambuLab filament directly inside the electronics section of those stores. Now, one thing that I noticed inside my Target is that they didn't have everything out on display just yet, but an employee was able to go out and back and grab some of the BambuLab filament for me. The filament is gonna cost you $22.99 per roll, but again, it's nice being able to find some of the BambuLab filament directly here locally if you're in the mood for that. Those BambuLab spools are also the same price that you're gonna be able to find in most places online, and they come with those reusable spools as well, but you are paying a good bit more of a premium for these BambuLab filaments. And unfortunately at Target, it looks like they're only gonna be carrying the BambuLab printers and the filaments at this time. I'm hoping that expands, but it again is a nice option, especially for anybody out there with a Target Red card, that you can get 5% off all of your purchases, and then potentially there will be other sales that we'll be able to see and find for these filaments and printers. Now, the one that surprised me the most was walking into Best Buy and seeing just how many 3D printers they had for sale on the floor inside my local store. Now, again, everything is all BambuLab related when it comes to their 3D printers that they're selling, but they had everything from the P2S, a P1S, an A2L, an H2D, and even an H2S. And surprisingly, they had a really large selection of filaments to choose from, and everything was really well priced with this Insignia branded Printed Filament, which I heard is just a rebranded version of Polymaker's own filaments. But what was fantastic to see is their basic PLA was starting at $10.99 per spool. They even had basic PETG starting at $10.99 as well. And you could find ABS for $16.99 and TPU for $19.99. And while Best Buy is carrying a lot of 3D printers and a ton of different filament options, there's currently no other 3D printing supplies that they're offering in store, at least that I could see. However, one thing I wanted to make you aware of is if you're not already, double check your emails, because I had a $5 gift card to come into Best Buy and buy some stuff with. So keep an eye out for those, because it's a great way to get a discount on some of the filament that you might be looking to buy. Also, I did a quick test print with some of these filaments on the FlashForge Creator 5 Pro. Again, the red from Hobby Lobby is a deep, dark red that I love, especially for some of my Spider-Man related prints. But the Make filament as well as the Insignia red are almost identical with the shades of this vibrant, bright red. The Insignia Glitter Purple is, as expected, a glittery purple filament. And I also tried out the clear PETG that printed fantastic on the Creator 5 Pro. Another honorable mention is Costco. While they're not selling filament in store, they do have a really good deal currently on a 10-pack of filament that you can pick up for $80. Now, the biggest thing that I noticed wasn't that these stores are carrying 3D printers or filaments, it's that they're treating 3D printing like any other consumer product. That means whether you're out shopping for craft supplies at Michael's or doing a Target run inside Target or shopping for electronics at Best Buy, you'll be able to now spot and see 3D printers and filament and other related accessories in some of your favorite stores. And for me, that is a huge shift from where we were at just a few years ago with 3D printing. And let me know in the comments if you consider picking up a 3D printer or some of these filaments inside of one of your local stores. I'm honestly hoping this expands and we start to see even more of this inside of other stores, or this expanding in some of the existing stores that we called out in today's video. I want to say thanks so much for all my Patreon supporters for your continued support, me making videos just like this one right here. And again, let me know in the comments what you think about being able to buy some of these filaments and 3D printers in your own local stores. Hey, thanks so much for watching, you all. I'll see you next time. Bye now.